Welcome to this video, guys. In this video I'll show you how you can convert files to zip folders and how you can convert normal folders to zip folders. We have some files here and we have a folder here. So let's say we want to compress or convert these files into zip files so that storage is reduced. Right now these are of 58.7 MB, right? So what I can do is I can select the files that I need to convert to zip file. So let's say I want this file here, this file here, and this file here, right? To select all of these three things, what you can do is press and hold Control and then click on the files that you want. So this file, this file. So I've hold the control and clicked on these three files, and let's say I'll click on this too, and now I can release control and these four files are selected. Just right click on it and click on compress to, and then click on zip file. So as you can see, a zip file is created with this name, and now you can change this to my zip file or any other name. So now we have a zip file that contains these four files. Now what you can do is to unzip this, just right click on it and click on extract all. Now it will ask you to create a new folder, so I'll just create my unzipped files. So this folder will be created and all the files that are inside this zip folder will be copied inside this folder. So click on extract. Now as you can see, this new folder is created and we have these four files inside this folder. So if I close this, you'll find that this is the new folder, and if I go inside this, these are the files that I had zipped. Now similarly, you can zip a folder too. So I have this folder here, right? I can just right click on it and click on compress to and zip file, and it will be also compressed in the same way. This is quite a big folder. It has a lot of videos, so it is taking quite some time to compress, but after a while it will be compressed and you can unzip it in the same way that I have shown to you. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.